Hello guys, today this is the second video for Microsoft Excel slicers. In this video we are going to learn how can we change this theme of slicers, how can we change the coloring, and we can use some standard coloring, or we can customize it, or we can use our own customized theme for these slicers. So let's start. Now here you can see whenever you are going to click anything, there's some different colors are there. So basically if you just click on one of slicer, and here you have options. Here you have different type of slicer styles. You can choose one of them from there. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Now here you can see there we have different colors. Sorry, when we are hovering on it, it's giving us some other color as well. We can choose any style from here, or we can create our own style, new slicer style. So we will name it like own style. So basically here we have some different elements, or we can say different events on which what type of formatting we require. The number one is the whole slicer. A whole slicer means what formatting we require for whole slicer. Right now we are not going to change anything for whole slicer. Okay, for header we want to change something. For example, press this header, go to format. Here I want to fill it with this blue color, and the font color would be white, tan, bold, and we can say Calibri Light headings. And we need single underline. Okay, and we don't need any border, so we will say okay. Now this means, now here you can see header is in bold. This means we already set some properties for this element, and the preview you can see here, the preview how it will be look like. Okay, now the second one is selected item with data. Means selected item with data. Now whatever we select, what will be the format for that. So again we will go there, fill pattern color like this. I want to change, no, not the pattern color here. Okay, and font I would like to say the same white color, and not bold, tan, Calibri body. Okay, now we will go to selected item with no data. We are not going to do anything with this one with no data. Unselected item with data, unselected item with data. So I want to fill it with another color, this one, the lighter one, and the font could be dark blue, tan, and Calibri body. We'll say okay. Now we already filled three different properties. Now we will go for hover selected item with data. If we hover it, what will be happen? We will say we will do the same thing, but only from simple to bold. The text will become bold. This one, color would be white. Fill will be this color. Now hover selected with no data, hover unselected item with data. Yes, here we are going to do the same color, font 10, bold, color would be this one for fonts, color. Now press OK. You have to select this customs. Now you can see this slider is changed. For example, we are going to check this one, Australia. Now here you can see whenever we are hovering on it, the font become bold. Otherwise, all settings are the same. This one is a selected item and this is non-selected item. So if I select this one, now you can see the color is changed. The same like this, we can do different type of changes in our properties of slicer styles. We can use existing one, we can create our own. And another thing which I would like to tell you, for example, you don't need this heading in the slicer, so you just click on it, go to options. Here you can see slicer settings. In slicer setting, you can just press this one, okay, and you can see here no heading, no header for slicer. Same like this, you can just bring it back. And from here, you can say choose country. So you can change the heading as well. So thank you so much for your time.